Today, we are going to demonstrate how easy it is to install Instatraction's Big Grippers on our GMC C60 truck. So let's check it out. Now, if you're not familiar, the Big Grippers are designed to attach to your tire to get you out of a pickle, like say if you get stuck. Oh, my lovely assistant, the farm cat. This is a product that we recently received and used on an ATV, and it works so good. So when they offered to send us a larger size for a farm truck, it was like game on. So I wanted to show you just how easy this product is to install. Now we'll be installing on the back tire because this is a rear wheel vehicle. So if you are installing it on a front wheel vehicle, you would want to install this on the front tire, but we're going to do it on the back tire. So if you open the box, it's pretty light in what all it entails. Not light in weight though, it's pretty heavy. And it comes with some really easy instructions, but I am a woman, so we're not going to use this. Okay. Now, in order to utilize the Big Gripper, you basically just need to know how to use a ratchet strap. We're going to ratchet strap the gripper onto the tire. In order for this to fit on the tire properly, you need to have like a hole, so you can see these holes in the tire to be able to like reach through for the ratchet strap. And then the gripper itself, you want to make sure you have the right size for your truck, but the gripper itself needs to be about the width of the tire that you're installing it on. So first things first, we're gonna unwind your ratchet strap. Now, if you want to look, the ratchet strap is really nice and heavy duty. It's double backed, it's heavy stitching. This is a really, really thick ratchet strap. And then the ratchet itself is pretty heavy duty and thick as well. Its MBS is 11,000 pounds. So in order to use a ratchet strap, you just pull on this and it opens it up. And you want the ratchet strap is going to be like out on the outside towards the tire so that you will be able to ratchet it and it'll be out of the way of the tire itself. And then this guy just threads right on. So once you've threaded the ratchet strap, you're going to set it on your tire, and it needs to be close to a hole because remember, we're going to go through a hole, and you're going to feed it through that hole. You're going to come in to the strap, or to the ratchet, excuse me. Now, this was designed so that you can utilize this by yourself. Sorry, I did that wrong. I think I did that wrong, yes. And then once it's threaded, you're going to close it. And actually, so I lied. You want to pull this as tight as possible. Then you're going to close it by squeezing. And then you just slowly ratchet it until it's nice and snug. And then you squeeze and push it the rest of the way closed. And then there you have it. And guys, it is on here. So you would install this on both tires, not the dual, but on the tire on the other side of the vehicle as well. And then how it's going to work is it's just added traction. And so it is able to get you out of, like, say if you're stuck in a ditch or if it's like really muddy, this is like the claw for your tire. And I'm telling you, it works so slick. We utilized one on our ATV and the husband was impressed, and it just takes a lot to impress him. Now, these are designed to be able to utilize yourself. So if you are alone, you can get yourself unstuck versus like needing to call for help. And so then when you're done getting yourself out of your pickle, it's really easy to uninstall. You just, again, squeeze your ratchet and open it up, and it releases, and there you have it. It's all done and ready to be put up. We also carry one of these sets in our regular car, and now we have one for the farm truck. They're just a really great product. I should mention, I talked about how heavy duty the ratchet strap is, but this is the gripper itself is made out of Canadian steel. It is very heavy duty, guys. So I know it's orange, but it's not like plastic or anything. It's Canadian steel. So this is going to stand the test of time for sure. So there you have it, the Big Gripper by Instatraction for SUVs, half tons, and 1 ton pickups. It works great, and I hope this helps.